An anti-terror court in Pakistan has quietly sentenced the 2008 Mumbai terrorist attack mastermind and a senior member of Lashkar-e-Taiba, Sajid Mir. Mir, who is among India's most wanted for his role in the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks, was awarded 15 years in jail term. Mir was Lashkar-e-Taiba's operations manager for the attacks, playing a leading role in their planning, preparation and execution. Mir was sentenced to anti-terrorism court in Lahore this month after convicting him in a terror financing case. As many as 10 individuals trained by Lashkar-e-Taiba carried out a series of coordinated terrorist attacks against multiple targets in Mumbai, killing 116 people. For his role in the Mumbai attacks, Mir was also indicted in the United States in April 2011. His sentencing comes as Pakistan is struggling to exit the Financial Action Task Force's terror financing watch list. Currently, Pakistan is on the grey list of the watchdog for not fulfilling the parameters to counter terrorism in the country. Pakistan media reports said Mir's court verdict was done so quietly that no one came to know about such a high-profile case, except for a very brief report in one of the newspapers, which too could not attract the attention. Even his detention was kept away from the media's eyes, the report added.